Today we have assembled over here to discuss regarding a skilling program for the students. We have with us Professor Dr. Tarun Kanti Jana, Dean School of Engineering, Mr. Dipankar Goswami, who is from the Training Placement Department. So you know that studying engineering is not a theoretical aspect of study. It incorporates practical knowledge and hands-on training and know-how about the laboratory work and the working of the equipments. So the more you get familiarized with equipments, more you get familiarized with the laboratory work, your skill set will get improved. Now what industry is demanding is ready to use engineers. Merely having theoretical knowledge on any subject will not fetch you correct job until and unless you are ready for the market. That is, if you are accepted by the industry, then and then only you will get a job. And in today's world, human effort in industry is slowly fading away. That means human involvement in doing any kind of regular day-to-day repetitive work is fast and regularly fading away. This is the era of automation, where modern machines and mechanisms are cyber physical systems. That means the machines are governed by computers and through internet. You know that IoT, which is Internet of Things, is already prevailing in domestic as well as in industrial components and machines. Through remote operation and command, you can control the machines. There are big data involved in it because the real-time information where millions and millions of data are stored. So, facing this new era, because after 2-3 years you will be exposed to industry, then this new technology, which is automation, in every sphere of industry will be very relevant. Merely knowing the mechanical aspect of engineering will not fetch you bread and butter. You have to know certain other aspects, new technologies, which is the call of the hour. New technology means this automation, robotics, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence. These are the new technologies which have already engulfed our technological sphere in abroad. Slowly it is percolating in India. So the time you pass out, you will face this new challenge. Nowadays, you don't have a clerk at the front desk answering your queries. Computers are doing it. In the industry shop floor, you will find there is no human transporting the material from one location to another location. There are bots which are capable of carrying n number of kilos of payload in a systematic way, uninterrupted, without fatigue, without failure, zero error. Human involvement in industry incurs certain percentage of losses with respect to fatigue, judgmental error. This is being abolished by using robots. So the moment you will be facing the new industry, it will be full of automation. For that, you need to prepare yourself from now. This is the new era and new challenges and new arenas you have to venture out. It's not only mechanical, it's mechatronics, where mechanical along with electronics, electrical and computers, all these 3-4 domains are working together to this new technological development, which is, they term it as Industry 4.0. This Industry 4.0 incorporates all these aspects which you cannot ignore. Today, you are more familiarized with your mobile phone, which is so much sophisticated, so much value added with the help of new technology and internet. It is almost like a mobile banking system. It is almost like a mobile shopping counter. It is almost a gateway to the entire world. You can do anything you want with your mobile phone. In that way, the industry has also developed. We have never thought 10 years back that we can teach through online mode. This lockdown has given us this opportunity of teaching the students in online mode. In abroad, they teach in online mode, but not through the Zoom or WhatsApp, but through hologram. Okay, so it's a 3D configuration, virtual image. In hologram, it may be present at multiple locations at runtime. It is more realistic, more natural. That is a new development that has taken place. Now, you see, today, the stringent regulations of government are restricting the automobile sector to cut down the carbon footprints. Now you will find that most of the vehicles will be plying on battery. So this lithium ion battery will be the next demand compared to coal and petroleum. So this automated vehicles or UAV or UV rather, automated vehicle. UAV is automated aerial vehicle. So nowadays unmanned vehicles are in lot of demand. You can talk of drones, you can talk of vehicles which are running in the road without any driver. In industry, you will have computer guided, automated guided vehicles moving from one location to another. So all these are moving with lithium ion battery. Green environment. So this is the new technology which is coming. So what I am trying to tell you is these type of technologies should not be unknown to you people. You are the new generation of Industry 4.0 students. You will face this industry when you will be passing out after 2-3 years. You should be prepared for it. See, in the manufacturing domain also, you know, laser is having a lot of impetus in every sphere of manufacturing. Be it medical, be it manufacturing, be it inspection, be it space research, everywhere there is laser. So this laser is engulfing our manufacturing domain in lot of ways because of its accuracy, because of the energy it imparts, and possibly with laser any known material can be melted or it can be cut. Okay, so it has a lot of importance. So I will not further my deliberation. I will request Professor Jana, who is a very learned person in the cyber physical system. Okay, so I request him to give his deliberation on this aspect.
With these inputs, are you in a position to work in an industry? Because industrial requirement is not exclusively only about your knowledge. What you will be able to execute in tune with the expectation of the requirement of that particular industry. So that requires with a different mindset, that with the knowledge and skill which I have developed in my institution, how it can be applied in real life activities to enable the industry to perform, to carry out certain activities which is required for the industrial house. So under the increasing competitive scenario, what Sir was talking about, currently we are undergoing fourth industrial revolution, which is popularly identified as Industry 4.0. In one side, you must have your domain knowledge in the as reflected or captured through your syllabuses, but that is not sufficient. So in that case, a very natural or pertinent question that may arise in your mind, that why some new topics are not incorporated in our syllabus. It is already taken care of very recent time, and that new syllabus, which is under autonomous structure, is already framed, and hopefully you are also following that particular course. But there is certain restriction, certain limitation. We cannot go unbounded number of courses. Your credit point as per ASD or Macau guidance, something around 160, 162, 164, something like that. But it cannot be increased to 180 or 200. That will put extraordinarily burden on the students. So in that case, also to cope up with the changing scenario, we cannot ignore the recent or latest developments in the technological area, in your human qualities area, and particularly in the multidisciplinary emerging areas, what Sir was talking about. In the recent last couple of years, there has been tremendous growth in the area of internet computing that gives rise to the potential of proliferation in the area of artificial intelligence, data analytics, IoT, cloud computing, cloud manufacturing. What is very important, Sir has already told, that you can argue that these are the development of the IT area. Then why we mechanical people are interested? The world does not go by this categorization law. We have to act to the potential benefits of different other areas and take the benefit and use it in our domain. Sir was talking about the physical production system, cyber physical production system. What it is? So production system, we know that it is a part of manufacturing and core of the mechanical of the production engineering. And cyber world, it is a separately AI or IT CS domain area. So their developments are going in one direction, but our role will be how we can utilize the benefits of the AI and IT domain development in our area. So that necessitates the multidisciplinary approach towards study. So this sort of emerging courses, I believe, and I also aware that this subject like IoT, Industry 4.0, some marketing papers on marketing, computer integrated manufacturing, these are already included in your new syllabus, which you study maybe in your third year or fourth year. But at the same time, this particular program, the title is Skill Development Program. Quite often we retail or graduate engineers focus our attention toward the knowledge, that is the analytical ability. The way I have started, we have got a lot of analytical ability to deal with different subjects. But how it can benefit the industry where you will get your job or where you are supposed to work. Will you join in the industry and in the morning you will be given a numerical problem and keep on solving? This is the requirement. Definitely not. Okay, that analytical mind, analytical power is definitely required. But eventually, correct application of those techniques or knowledge or subject knowledge is required to satisfy the need of the industry. So that requires a different attitude and skill development. So that what we have learned in the institution, same we can be able to successfully implement in the industry according to the demand.